You're not lazy. Your brain is hijacked. And if you don't fix this, you'll stay distracted, tired, and stuck for years. Right now, your brain is being trained to choose easy dopamine over real progress. Scrolling reels, quick hits of pleasure, and it's destroying your focus. That's why you can't focus. You feel tired all the time, and even simple tasks feel hard, not because you're weak, but because your brain is overstimulated. So here's how you fix it. First, no phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Second, do one hard thing every day, even when you don't feel like it. Third, reduce useless dopamine and replace it with real effort, because your brain adapts to what you repeat. If you keep choosing comfort, you stay average. But if you start choosing effort, you take back control. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. And discipline is built one decision at a time. If you're done feeling distracted, comment, "I take control." Subscribe to the Inspire Code. We don't chase comfort. We decode success daily.